तो अभी हम MSRT का प्रैक्टिकल सेशन शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। हैंड्स प्रेयर पोजीशन, बैक स्ट्रेट, महामृत्युंजय मंत्र। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षेरमामृतात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Slowly drop down your hands. Body completely relax. Now take your total awareness to the lower body from your toes to your navel region. Now inhale deeply and chant Akara. Inhale. Feel the vibrations in the lower body, resonance of Akara from toes to your navel region. Now be aware about your middle body from your navel to your throat region. Inhale and chant Ukara. Feel the vibrations of Ukara in the middle body. Now shift your awareness to the upper body from your throat to the top of your head. With inhalation, chant one round of Makara with closed mouth. Feel the beautiful vibrations in your head region. Resonance in your upper body. Now be aware about your entire body from toes to the top of your head and chant Akara, Ukara, Makara combined in a single breath. Inhale. Feel the beautiful resonance throughout your body. Now second round. Again, shift your awareness to the lower body Inhale and chant Akara. Now be aware about your middle body and chant Ukara. Inhale. Feel the vibrations in the middle body. Now be aware about your upper body and chant Makara with closed mouth. Inhale. Beautiful resonance in your head region. Again, total awareness on your entire body and chant Akara, Ukara, Makara combined. Inhale. Relaxation in your entire body. Now third round. Again, shift your awareness to the lower body and chant Akara. Inhale. Middle body and chant Ukara. Inhale. Upper body and chant Makara. Inhale. Your entire body and chant Akara, Ukara, Makara combined. Inhale. Feel the beautiful resonance throughout your body, relaxation from toes, the top of your head. Now next is Ahata and Anahata chanting, loud and mental chanting round. First inhale and chant loudly Akara. Feel the vibrations in the lower body. Now next is Anahata chanting of Akara, mental chanting. Inhale and chant Akara in your mind. Feel the same vibration. Try to observe the same resonance in the lower body with the mental chanting. Now, Ahta chanting of Ukara, inhale. Now, mental chanting of Ukara, inhale. Observe the similar vibrations with the mental chanting. Now, loud chanting of Makara, inhale. Now, mental chanting of Makara, inhale. Feel the similar vibrations in your head region. Next is Akara, Ukara, Makara combined, loud chanting, inhale. Vibration in your entire body. Now mental chanting of Akara, Ukara, Makara combined, inhale. Observe the same vibrations throughout your body, from toes to your head region. Second round, inhale and chant Akara loudly. Inhale and chant Akara in your mind. Now loud chanting of Ukara. Inhale. Mental chanting of Ukara. Now loud chanting of Makara. Inhale. mental chanting. Now loud chanting of Akara, Ukara, Makara combined. Inhale. Mental chanting. Feel the vibrations in your entire body, resonance from toes to your head region. Now, next step is Mahamrityunjay mantra. First, loud chanting. Inhale. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandanat Mrityormokshi Amamritat. Feel the vibrations of the mantra in your entire body. Inhale, second time, loud chanting. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandana Mrityormokshi Amamrita. Third round, loud chanting. Inhale. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandana Mrityormokshi Amamrita. Feel the vibrations, resonance created by the mantra throughout your body. Vibrations in each and every cell of your body. Now next is Ahta and Anahta chanting of Mahamrityunjay mantra. Inhale, first loud chanting. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandana Mrityormokshi Amamrita. Now mental chanting of the mantra. Recite the mantra in your mind. Observe the same vibrations throughout your body. Now second round, loud chanting. Inhale. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandana Mrityormokshi Amamrita. Now, mental chanting of the mantra. Inhale. Now, next step is Anahata chanting of Uma 9 times. Start chanting Uma in a single breath in your mind and repeat them 9 times. After 9 times, slowly stop the chanting, moving to the next step, that is Ajapa Japa chanting of Om. Now start mental chanting of Om like this: Om, Om, Om. In your mind, continuous chanting. If thoughts are disturbing your chanting, then make it little bit fast. अगर कोई विचार आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है तो अपनी चैंटिंग थोड़ा तेज कर दीजिए माइंड में. Total awareness on the chanting of the pranava, the Om. Now slowly slow down your chanting. Slow down and try to observe the gap between two Omkaras. Like there is a gap between two chantings like Om, Om. Try to observe that gap. Slow down your chanting and try to increase the gap between two Omkaras. Slow down, slow down. Slowly stop the chanting and just observe the silence phase, the gap. That gap is nothing but the total silence. Try to remain in this silence. Silence is the pure bliss. Silence is the true nature of human being, of mankind. Try to maintain this silence throughout your day, in each and every activity of your daily routine. Now, from this silence phase, moving to the resolve, take any positive resolve, positive thought, and repeat it 9 times in your mother tongue, in your mind. For example, I'm healthy, I'm happy, I'm the happiest person in the world. My immune system becomes stronger and stronger day by day. Any positive resolve and repeat it 9 times. Now slowly be aware about your body. Be aware about your surrounding. Move your toes little bit, fingers little bit. Move your head little bit left to right. Slow movement. Those who are lying, join your legs together. Hands on the sides of your thighs. Now place your right hand above your head and fold your left leg and turn toward your right side. Left leg on your right leg, left palm on your left thigh, whole body in a single line, the beautiful linear awareness. Now place your left palm on the floor in front of your chest. Bend your knees little bit. Slowly, with the help of your palm and your elbow, slowly come to sitting position. Do not open your eyes. No jerky movements. Try not to disturb your relaxation. Just sit comfortably in any meditative posture. Let's conclude the session with the closing prayer. Sarve Bhavantu, for the welfare of all, whole bird, hands prayer position. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhave. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly rub your palms, generate the heat and apply on your facial muscles, around your eyes. Once again, rub your palms. Apply the heat to your body parts, your head, your neck, your arms, your back, your thighs, your knees. Again, place your hands in front of your eyes. Slowly, with few blinks, open your eyes and look at your palms. Thank you.